In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Dhgate payment verification issue 2025 step by step. If your payment keeps failing on Dhgate, don't worry, most issues are caused by security checks or mismatched details, not by lack of funds. Start by noting the exact message you see. Common ones include payment verification failed, payment under review, risk control check, transaction declined, or pending verification. Take a quick screenshot so you can reference it later if you need to contact support. Before retrying, confirm your card is eligible for this type of purchase. It needs to allow international online payments, support 3D Secure or one-time passwords from your bank, and have enough available balance or credit. Visa and MasterCard typically work best, while some prepaid or gift cards struggle with verification. Next, carefully verify your billing information. The most frequent reason payments fail. Make sure the cardholder name matches exactly as it appears on the card. The billing address is the one your bank has on file. The zip or postal code is correct, and the phone number matches your bank records. Even small mismatches can trigger Dhgate's risk system, so double check spellings, abbreviations, and apartment numbers. If you're prompted for 3D Secure or an OTP, wait for the code from your bank app or SMS, enter it promptly, and don't refresh or navigate away during the process. Multiple failed code attempts can temporarily block your card for security reasons. Your network and device can also cause flags. Avoid VPNs, proxies, or public Wi-Fi. Use your home internet and stick to a single device during checkout to keep your digital fingerprint consistent. If it still fails, refresh your session. Clear your browser cache and cookies. Try a private or incognito window. Switch from the app to desktop or vice versa, and make sure the Dhgate app is updated. Many users resolve the issue just by switching devices or platforms. If your card keeps getting declined, try a different payment method. PayPal linked to your card often bypasses strict card checks. You can also test a different Visa or MasterCard, try debit instead of credit, or use a reputable virtual card available in your region. Still stuck? Contact your bank and ask whether your card is blocked for international e-commerce or Dhgate specifically. Request they remove any merchant restrictions, approve the transaction, and confirm online international purchases are enabled. If you've had multiple failures, give it 12 to 24 hours before trying again, as risk systems sometimes need time to reset. And if nothing works, reach out to Dhgate support with your order number, a screenshot of the error, the payment method